all stand.
May my beloved brothers and sisters, that our sacrifice may be acceptable to God, the Almighty Father.
May the Lord accept the sacrifice at your hands for the praise and glory of His name,
For our good and the good of all His church. Lord, accept the gifts of your church